Chief Guest Sri Narendra Jadhav Garu, President of this today's function, Justice Sudarshan Reddy Garu, and my friend Konda Vishweshwar Reddy Garu, Member of Parliament, and the legacy of Justice Konda Madhav Reddy Garu. It is indeed a pleasure for me and feel honored to be as one of the guests of honor to take part in this prestigious Justice Konda Madhav Reddy Garu Memorial Lecture, and more particularly the 55 years journey of Constitution. The moment I was asked to be present in this today's Memorial Lecture, I was asking my friend Konda Vishweshwar Reddy Garu, we know fully well that the Constitution was adopted November 26, 1949. It has come into force from 26 January 1950. And we have been all celebrating the 75 years of adoption of this Constitution. This Constitution is supposed to be one of the best constitutions provided by the architect of the Constitution, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, the chairman of Draft Committee Constitution. India is supposed to be one of the biggest democratic countries in the world. And we're proud to say that India is a mother of democracy. So I was wondering, we have been celebrating 75 years of celebrations. How come it is 55 years journey of Constitution? So even Vishweshwar Reddy was also having same doubt. It will be clarified by our today's chief speaker of this today's memorial lecture. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, while framing this Constitution, though the liberty, equality and fraternity has been clearly defined, and articles such as 17, this abolition of untouchability, articles 15 and 16, this prohibition of discrimination. He was more concerned and he was committed, and he wanted to empower the downtrodden, the weaker sections, the communities which have been discriminated for ages. And we have seen during the Constitution framing also, many debates have been taken place. Right from the day one, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was differing with Nehruji on certain issues. Whether it is Article 370, Jammu Kashmir being a part of India, so Nehru wanted to be a Jammu Kashmir, a separate constitution and separate assembly with full of powers. And even when the question of Hindu Code Bill has come, again it was Ambedkarji was insisting for Hindu Code Bill, and Nehru was not in favor of this. Likewise, there were many such issues. Ambedkarji was emphasizing reservation for SC, STs in the name of discrimination. But Nehru was always advocating for reservations in the name of economic as a criteria, not as a caste as a criteria. But still, after 75 years of independence, we still see that caste has become a major obstacle. So, being a visionary leader of this country, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar has given us such a beautiful constitution. So entire country is now debating and discussing on it. Of course, there might have been many amendments keeping in mind the ongoing developments. But the preamble, but the basics of the constitution has not been changed. But still, we have witnessed many such instances, imposition of emergency, and even the misuse or abuse of 356 article we have witnessed. But still, our constitution being one of the best constitution in the world, we naturally, the credit goes to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. And today, our Konda Madhav Reddy Garu, who is a legend in the Telangana particularly, not only a legal luminary, he was also committed for the upliftment of the poor and weaker sections. As rightly pointed out by Vishwesh Reddy Garu, his focus was on education and even in the fields of health or children, strengthen the children. I being an MLA for twice in this constituency, this AV college supposed to be one of the best renowned and reputed institutions in the city. Not only AV college, Konda Madhav Reddy Garu has come up with a CBI also. There are many such courses introduced in CBI also. Many, our Honorable Speaker Prasad Garu just arrived. We welcome on the stage. Prasad Garu, namaskaram.